everyone. Welcome. I don't know how you got here, but thanks for watching. And I'm doing this for the first time, and I don't know if it'll be great or not, but I wanted to kind of introduce myself to you guys. And I'm in my studio right now. Let me see if I can. Oh, right. There we go. It's just my house, a room in my house that we have decorated and we've turned into a space that inspires us and that we like being in. And so we call it our studio. And I'll give you a little bit of a walkthrough soon, but I wanted to let you guys know, who am I? Who is this person? So my name is Gary. Actually, let me rewind. Let's rewind that. My name is Carielis, and I was born in Puerto Rico. And so my name is in Spanish, Carielis, but a lot of people call me by my nickname, which is Gary. And when I moved here at 7 years old, I had to translate my name because people cannot pronounce it. Definitely not in Spanish, a little bit in English, but it helps. So my English name is Carrie Ellis, and some people may call me Carrie. I know that's a lot to say and to take in, but that's what it is. But for the purposes of this video, my name is Gary. And like I said, I was born in Puerto Rico. I'm a graphic designer by trade who is trying to do video because the world is evolving. But I went to art school. I went to the Art Institute in Miami, Florida, Miami International University of Art and Design. And I'm so sorry for all the back and forth, but my arm hurts from holding this camera. It's heavy. Anyway, I went to the Art Institute and I got my bachelor's in graphic design. Before I did that, though, I did go to what I call regular school because I was so insecure about my ability to make anything. So I went to FIU, Florida International University, and there I got a bachelor's in psychology. And I got a dual bachelor's degree in psychology and religious studies. So all of that stuff informs and makes up my world and the things that inspire me. But today, I'm married to my husband, Angel. We have a son. His name is Avon. And we are just making stuff from our house. And I get to be part of some really incredible projects and work with awesome people. But right now, I'm focusing a lot on just putting content out, stuff that I needed when I was getting started. And so hopefully it helps you and it encourages you. I have an email called Hazy Talk. This is crazy. I'm all over the place. And this term hazy, it comes from the feeling of not knowing what the heck you're doing. And I came up with it when I was in art school. I think it was like 2013. I was doing a project in the middle of the night. If you've been to art school and you work a job during the day, you know that you do a lot of your work at night. And so I was exhausted. I didn't really know what I was doing or how to do it. And, music helps. You know that. And so I made a playlist. Spotify was fairly new back then. And I wanted a name that encapsulated how it felt, how this moment felt of just not knowing what the heck am I doing. And so I called it Hazy. And it's evolved. So now I have a newsletter called Hazy Talk that you can join. Every Monday I send a new email. But I think a lot of this YouTube may be inspired by the stuff that I write in Hazy Talk. So if you like the YouTube, check out the newsletter. And that's it. That's my intro. Let me show you my studio real quick, and then we'll wrap up the video. Cool? All right, let's go. Do I need this? I might still need this. All right, let's flip the camera. Ready, set. Okay. Lord help us. Don't give graphic designers cameras. Okay, let's start. This is my husband's desk right here. And he's got this fun little setup. I need to change the focus. All right, let's figure this out real quick. I got to put this down. All right. Wrong one. Lord. All right, here we go. Beautiful. Okay, so this is my husband's. Let me zoom out. Oh, okay, perfect. My husband's desk. Awful. Don't give graphic designers cameras. All right, my husband's desk. Let me start over. He's got this cute little nook. He's into brutalist architecture. So he has that calendar there. That's our cute little son. He's obsessed with The Office. And so that's his setup. I got this clock. And I'll tag the name of the company. I'll put it in the description because I don't remember it right now, but they have a lot of cool objects. So it has all of the time zones. He's got this cool monitor situation. He's looking for models right now for a guy at Shoot. Some books, some shelves. Saul Bass, if you know his big time inspo. We've got Bandit here. He was our pug. He passed away a few years ago. Our director's chairs, some posters. This is a cool, it's a newspaper stand. This right here, I'm going to use my foot. And it's for Gaiad. My husband has an apparel brand called God is a Designer. And so I wish I could show you a better thing of it, but he uses it for his pop-ups and it's all vinyl. Pretty cool. This is our workstation, our little workshop situation. And we've got all of our tools here. And let me see. We've got markers. We've got notebooks and pins and papers and of course cables. And let me show you this Akira. We love Akira. We actually found these comic books. They're not the manga. They're actually comic books and they're pretty dope. So whenever I see them, I think there's like 30 something in total or 50. So whenever we see them, we buy them. Spray paint, of course. I used to have a little dachshund. And so that's him right there. This is some collage art I made a few years ago. I'm going to do more of that. It's fun. Angel likes analog clocks. I don't know why. And then, I'm winded. All right. This is our little bookshelf. And I love having books. So we have a lot of books. We also have Akira. This is actually really cool. I'll make a separate video about it. But basically, it's all of the storyboarding for Akira. And we have brand books. And I journal a lot. Those are my journals. Our scanner. Our server. And some cool stuff back there. So that's our studio, friends. Oh, my desk. I forgot to show you my desk. You see, it's just a house. This is my desk. It's small. It's just in a corner here. But it works for the season that we're in. And I've got this really cool, what is this called? Like a ruler pad, cutting board as like my desk mat. Oh my God. And then I've got some books to hold up my my laptop. This is actually some of my favorite books right there. And then my computer. Why is it off? Well, that's my computer. I was working on a new YouTube banner. And there's my husband. All right, friends. I hope you enjoy it. I'm probably out of focus. Really scrambly video, but thanks for being here. Have the best week.